Our very special guest is in the studio, Latonya Style, undeniably one of Jamaica's most renowned and distinguished dance instructors with more than 2 decades of experience. Although she doesn't even look older, she doesn't even look like she's 2 decades old. And she has been teaching dancing at all different levels and all ages in various dance genres. In fact, Latonya has an undeniable passion for dancehall and is highly sought after as a master tutor in this genre. She has toured extensively. As a matter of fact, Shelz, there's a point in time when I used to see Latonya overseas more than I would see her in Jamaica. Ooh. Because I'm out there as an MC and she's out there with one or two of the big named artists as a dancer doing her thing. She's gone to places like Asia, Australia, Europe, and South America. And she has been a successful dancehall practitioner since 1999 when she started choreographing and touring with top dancehall artists, and pretty much has performed in every major stage show across Jamaica and overseas. She's an accomplished individual, a choreographer. She's an author. She's a dancer, and more in general terms, a Jamaican cultural ambassador.
Yeah.
Good morning, Ambassador Latonya Style. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Pleasant morning, everyone.
All right, good to see you. When you had her on your program, was she in the studio or was she on the telephone?
Yeah, she was in studio, and it was a vibe.
Yeah.
And it was a perfect discussion because, interestingly, we were reasoning about if that dancehall dead and if it gone. And Richie, I tell the truth, and I was there. I came in strongly, said, "No, man, dancehall, I need dance again." Hey,
you were just being devil's advocate.
Yeah, you know me. And Latonya was just, no, dance can't dead, and she's the embodiment of that.
She defended it well, right?
Yeah, man.
Latonya, welcome.
Thank you for
so nice to have you. Give us a little snippet of, in summary, your journey to where you are now.
Wow. So definitely dancing forever from a little girl. I was a part of the Ashe ensemble. That's where I got most of my training and the personality. Oh. The Ashe people, they're bubbly and, spark.
Vibrant, yeah.
Yes, so Ashe Queens Dance Troupe, gold medalists for JCDC festivals. We always winning, cheerleading, all of those stuff. I started to tour with Mr. Lex. That's from 1999. So when he had the Full 100 song, I was there with him all over the world. Backup dancer for also Mr. Vegas. So that's where I started to go to Japan and those places. But my journey got epic and worthwhile when I started to tour by myself. Yes. So
brought you a different level of fulfillment.
It's like amazing that I'm orchestrating tours for dancers and also touring like Australia 5 times in a row.
Wow.
Without an artist, going to over 20 other European countries, and thus far it's over 40 countries.
That you've been to?
Yes, and not only once. Every year. So 8 times going to Italy, 9 times going to Germany. So it's amazing, and it's very, inspiring, and it's inspired the whole community because since that, a lot of dancers have been getting opportunities, and I have helped with that, doing job letters from my company, which is Dance Jamaica Academy Limited. So, it's uplifting for the whole dancehall community itself.
How pleasing is it to you when you go overseas, especially, and see the love and the response and the appreciation for our dance moves and our culture in general?
Okay, it's definitely heartwarming. It's a culture shock, by the way, because in our culture, we don't appreciate it as much as the visitors and the foreigners. They're in love more than us. So it's kind of strange. I was like, wow, people crying. People have tattoos of Jamaican flag all over their bodies. Like, they love it more than us, and they're willing to pay for it. They're willing to give us anything. People usually say, oh, no, sell out the culture. But I think it's better than pay for it than get it free, right? Because they will get it free on the internet, or if they come to Jamaica, they can just film anything at the parties. So why not create a business out of it? And so that we can feed our family instead of just dancing for passion. Because we're full of passion,
Yeah.
I have to take up the dance and the man say, no, love, free is too much, come get paid. Yes.
Wow.
Like
fantastic.
They dance for free, but they don't know how to earn from it. And you have to make your passion your profession.
Absolutely.
So that's my main
Yeah,
advocacy.
Turn that passion in a paycheck. I love that.
Yeah, man.
So what were some of the challenges you faced as a dancehall dancer?
That is one of them in our own country I fight with.
fight with.
Yeah, man, the biggest challenge that when you own not appreciate you. So nobody at Jamaica don't know me. but the world know me. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we don't get love from home. Even I remember a government official that I used to go to school with. The first time she posted a dancehall video as a little girl, a Russia dance with me teach. But she never once post me. You know what I'm saying? So they don't give us the appreciation and they don't value us.
Is it any more difficult for female dancers when compared to the male dancers?
Yes, of course. Like everybody want we. Them want they with we. It's just about sex. Like they think that we're objects more than an actual employer or they. You get what I'm saying? So a lot of these people that reach out to us, the first thing, wow, you look nice, even like you, and I'm like, is it business or pleasure? What you text me for? What you want? So the women them have it really hard, especially in that aspect, sexual harassment and stuff like that. And a lot of people, when they see a success, a man do it, or they don't believe that we as women are entrepreneurs. We are the mastermind behind some of these not men's, but the man them success. So they underestimate us as women, but we are really powerhouses, and that's what I advocate for, the strong queens that uplift the community, go hard and done, and we don't need for to get it. We don't need to stoop low.
You're spreading your wings.
We're spreading the wings. Nothing else.
Got you. But do you believe that the perception of dancehall dancers has changed somewhat over the past, say, 5-10 years?
Definitely. I see more people respecting. I see more people paying. Well, I forbade them up still, but they start to come to us on a better approach. Like they know that we're doing it as a business. They have to pay us properly. Also, the touring part, we start tour hard now. And as a matter of fact, couple dancers, them live in Europe now. So
really?
What? The amount of dancers will get the fly out and they actually live there. But I respect them for that as well, because they use their talent to elevate out of their sorrow. Because there's one crew, for example, 3 of their members got killed, gunned down. So when you see them migrate, people say, the woman take them away. But I think they're escaping a community that, the violence.
So some of them actually establish friendships and partnerships and relationships.
Yeah, man,
definitely. And are actually based there as well.
But it helps them to get out of the violence or the whatever they're facing, hardships they're facing in Jamaica. So I don't bash them for that.
Okay.
Respect. Now, Latonya, we know enough about you in terms of dancing and what you represent, the dancehall space and dancing. But Arthur, tell us about your book, Stylish Moves.
Okay,
right.
So Stylish Moves is actually my brand. It is my dance style. It's a touch of class and confidence. That's what Stylish Move is, Jamaican dance style. So this book was in collaboration with Robin Clare from Australia. Well, she's from Jamaica, living in Australia. She's an illustrator. So the essence of the book is actually dance illustrations. So it's dance on paper. I don't know if you can see it good. But so we illustrate some of the moves. We have activities. So it's not a book where you just words. Me not like read. Which is sad and bad, but the illustration, the pictures, bigging up all the dancers, I even have word search, but it's educational because the word search has like Jamaican taste of Jamaica, so Aki, all of those stuff. So you're learning while you're doing the word search, names of female artists, stuff like that. So it's very interesting, educational, and well, for
Latonya,
sure.
Is this you on your head top? I have to ask because that's one that grabbed my attention very quickly.
Yes, that's me. I can.
That took some skill. Let me tell you.
And even my music, lyrics, stuff like that. So I also I'm an artist.
Oh, the pictorials are very, very attractive to look at, and you can see. You can see movement actually by just looking at these pictures.
Yes.
Let's talk a little bit about how well is this book doing and where is it available, by the way?
It's available on my website. So I didn't have any big publishing company, but I have a very good book company that prints it on demand. So when you order it from my website, we send it straight to wherever you are in the world, worldwide shipping. Plus, I have copies here in Jamaica.
Okay. Pretty Wine is featured. Stylish Wine is featured.
All her moves.
All
my
these moves.
100 moves.
And I like the illustrations because you can see from step 1 to various numbers thereafter, how you actually navigate through these dances. I could find a lot of use in this. Because
well, I have a move for you. The bogle was highlighted, so
really?
I have to pick up the legend.
Okay,
of course.
Yes, Carlene was highlighted in the book as well.
Dancehall Queen.
We highlighted the Della move. That's good for you too, Richie.
Yeah.
So it's not all about
Might
me.
hear that, yeah.
It's not all about me. I still showcase the culture of Jamaica.
This is a good product. I like it.
you.
Stylish Moves, written and choreographed by Latonya Style, edited and illustrated by Robin Clear, and it's all about Jamaican dancehall style with a touch of class and confidence. And this is a good stuff.
I'm with it.
Big moves you're making, Latonya. Let me talk a little bit about the fitness levels that you have to maintain in order to be effective as a dancer, though. I mean, do you have to put in extra work in the gym or do extra workouts to stay this fit and be able to carry on these moves?
All right, I'm going to be honest. I'm not fit savvy.
Okay.
So the problem is I'm so in love with Jamaican food. So I go hard on the ackee saltfish. Unfortunately, the fried dumpling and the rice and peas and oxtail and and it's because I'm a mama's girl, so it comes in abundance, which is very bad. So if I never did look at dancing, me that'd be like this.
We appreciate the honesty.
I have to be honest,
Yeah.
and I don't want people feel like you have to be a stick to be a dancer. No, we come in all sizes and shapes. So respect us. We don't have to look the same as everyone else. People see me, she can dance. Oh, fluffy this. I'm like, wow, okay, but I'm fit in terms of I can stand up for 2 hours dancing, even in heels. I'm good at all of that.
You get the job done. Let's talk a little bit about Bounce, which is one of the hot songs for the summer with Ding Dong. You played a role in the video.
Yes.
Tell us about that combination between yourself and Ding Dong.
Okay, so me and Ding Dong go way back. As you know, Ravers, Clavers, from that long time, first class dancers. We've been there from Skip to Malou. I'm in the Sweet video, all of those Nolinga videos, everything.
Yeah.
So Ding Dong wanted to let people know that, hey, Jamaican have choreographers too, and Jamaicans can do this just like how the foreigners do it. So he reached out to myself and Dancing Rebel and said, hey, we want to put out this video that just going to shake the world, have the whole world dancing. And I mean, it touched my heart, and I was so happy that he wanted us to choreograph it. So we choreographed, also casted the video, so we got all the 30-odd dancers that were in it.
You did. Wow.
The rehearsals took place at my dance studio, which is Dance Jamaica, and we really did it professionally. The dancers got paid at rehearsals. The dancers got good pay for the video, 30-odd dancer. Wow. And Ding did it himself, and he was just like, it meant so much to him, and it meant so much to us. And this is one of my most fulfilling videos that I've ever done, and I've done over 50-odd videos.
Wow.
It has taken off in a big way. The song is hot for the summer, and everybody is talking about it. Everybody is prepared to post themselves doing the bounce. And
the post is also because Ding Dong bigs them up. Like some
That's true.
artists,
That's true.
I know there's a dancer that does a little challenge, and I've never seen the artist post it, and it's thousands of videos that the dancer did for the song, but the artists have never posted it. So the fact that Ding Dong is highlighting everybody is just amazing.
Yeah. In case you're wondering what song we're talking about, this is it. Shelz, you can get up out of your seat if you wanna.
Shelz, you ready? Come on, Shelz.
Drive out, Latonya. Hey.
Come on. Okay, whip it. Now, elbow now.
Give them the...
Make sure you swing your one day. When them come to you with argument, make sure you run them. I live the life of me.
Pull up that.
You see, Latonya could have drawn me. That's what she said, let's go. Let's go.
Same song, run it again. Yeah, this one is really happening.
Yeah.
Hot for the summer.
So I can't stand up. Of course. All right. Hey, Shelz, go.
Demonstration time. I'll watch. Yo.
Matalana signal to me sending back to zone 10 while everybody a show 3 of us them at it again. So watch the bones. skip your enemy there. Swing your one from left to right, me know this I go mad there. Beat them like a whipping on me and me nah look no friend. No for them they hear attack when them see we them not do nothing. Booms, ha, make sure you swing your one there. When them come to you with argument, make sure you run them. Happy I live the life, I make money, we not a problem. I bag a chat and make I say them bad, we not look at them. Booms.
The Bridge, 99 FM.
Booms.
Somebody has got to manage the microphone, if you know what I mean.
Irie, try your bones to this. Uptown dancers, we are not done to this. Dancing not just fun, it and a mathematics. Anyway, me go me a the general in this. But I scan, me a beg you to check your level.
Oh God, this is so beautiful to watch.
Yeah.
Not as beautiful to participate.
No,
in.
you did well.
All the moves,
You did
but
well,
Latonya,
you did well.
Latonya, this one is hot. And
Thank
you
you.
all must be commended. Ding dong, big up yourself.
Well,
And all of the dancers in it.
every dancer, you know.
And the role that you played as well, Latonya. And is it Rebel?
Dancing Rebel.
Dancing
yes.
Rebel, yeah.
Yeah,
Big
man.
ups, big ups. What's next for you?
Okay, so I'll be going to South America in August. It's going to be my third time in Chile, Santiago, and my first time in Peru. Yes. So South America tour, I have Redbull Dance Your Style coming up. I'm the consultant. And I'm going to be the host.
Wicked.
So that's going to be amazing. Dancers are going to get the opportunity to go to South Africa to compete on the world stage. So that's a big thing.
Yeah.
I'm also doing Fire Fit, which is at Barbican Beach, and that's like a soca series, but you know, dance I'll have in it. So I teach at Fitbox, Fitbox,
Okay.
and that's one of my projects as well. And yeah, just
More work.
touring,
More fun,
working,
more work.
interviews with Richie B.
Oh.
You know?
It's a good look, man.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
And you just keep on keeping on. And best wishes, all right?
Thank you for having me. Big up yourself.